Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the spell checker on your keyboard on your Android phone. So to turn this off, just scrolling down from the top, go to Settings. Now scroll on down to the bottom, and we want to go to System, Language, Time, Backup. Then we can go to Language and Input, and then we can scroll on down. So here's the on-screen keyboard. So we want to go to where it says Tools, Spell Checker, Gboard, Spell Checker. Then we can go to Use Spell Checker, and we can turn it off right here. And then we have the default spell checker. Now if we want to go ahead and access the keyboard settings, open it up in Messages. So let's tap into here, and here's our keyboard. Then we want to go to the settings icon. And here's the keyboard settings under here. So we should be able to turn off like auto type in here as well. So this is called text correction, and we can just turn it off in here. So just look at the different options for auto correction, and you should be good to go. Here's auto capitalization too. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.